Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, we'll discuss on the SDK platform. Continue on the previous video. We already know what is the mobile applications. So today we discuss and continue about the SDK platform. So what is the SDK? SDK is referred to the software development kits. What kind of the development environment that we should use when we want to develop the mobile application. So based on the previous discussion, we already know that there are three major approaches in developing the mobile application. Number one is the mobile web application. The second one is native application. And the third one is the hybrid application. So we have three major approaches when we want to develop a mobile application. So a native application is an application developed essentially for one particular mobile device and it's installed directly onto the device. So user of native application usually download the application from the application store online. Example, we have the Play Store for the Google and Android, and we also have the Apple Store for the iOS. Okay. When we talk about the web application, this mobile web application does not necessary for us to download the APK or download the installer. We can access it via the mobile web browser. So there are the major difference between the native application and the web application. How about the hybrid? Okay, for the hybrid, we also need to download the APK installed to our mobile device. So there are several top market share of the mobile platform. We have the iOS, Android, Microsoft Windows, and so on. So this one is a statistic that created in February 2014. So the percentage of the Android, Microsoft, BlackBerry in the mobile platform. Okay, and this one is for the current one. So most of the market share is belong to the Android. 72.72% is quite huge. Means mostly a major market of the mobile OS is come from the Android, and then followed by the iOS, and then we have Samsung. Samsung uses the Tizen, if I'm not mistaken, Tizen OS, and then we have another OS that available in the worldwide market share. So the popular native SDK platform, we have Android, iOS, Microsoft Windows Mobile, and BlackBerry. However, we focus on the Android when we do the lab. Okay, so Android is one of the most popular platform. Okay, refer to the statistic that I show you just now. So this is the most popular mobile platform. Okay, it is available under the open source license. So the Android is open source. That's why it's very popular among the developer as well among the users. Okay, the application programmer's interface, the API, is available as the Java classes. Also one of the programming language that is popular among the developer. So the platform is supported under the popular desktop operating system. Easy for the developer in order to develop the mobile application. Okay, widest OS support the SDK for the Android. However, this part also have several disadvantages, and one of them is because of the device fragmentation. Too many devices with vastly different hardware specification and capabilities will affect the developer when they want to develop their application. And second is release proliferation. may have not support application running on different version of Android at the same time. So when you open your Android Studio and you want to start your project, you need to choose the version, okay, because we have a lot of version. So example based on this disadvantages number 2, okay, the developer itself may have to consider supporting Android 5.1, which refer to the lollipop version, while not alienating Android 2.3, which refer to the gingerbread users. So these are the dilemma of the Android developer. So based on this part, as the mobile Android developer, you need to identify your scope of your mobile application. So after you identify your scope, so you need to mention then your application is only supported by which version of Android. Okay, how about the iOS? This is also one of the most popular mobile platform, because based on the statistic just now, we have Android and then followed by iOS. Okay, this one is use the API as Objective C classes. Android uses Java classes. This one uses the Objective C. So the platform is supported across the OS X 10.x operating system and has well-defined device specification. Okay, so this one does not suffer from the device fragmentation, and features and functionality are well standardized. So if you want to develop a mobile application for the iOS, you must have the iOS in order to create your mobile application. So disadvantages for this part, it requires OS X platform. So any mobile application development require the latest release of the OS X operating system and running on the Apple certified device. You must have Apple product in order to develop Apple application. Okay, and high entry level cost. Publishing the iOS mobile application is significantly costly compared to the other platform. In the process of producing the mobile application is higher, is more expensive compared to the other platform. Okay, these are the comparison. iOS app are the most expensive to develop. So it's based on the time or duration that you need and cost that you need. Time, cost, developer expert in order to produce one of the mobile application for the iOS. Why it is expensive? One, you can say that the process is quite longer compared to the Android. You must have the Apple product in order to develop your application. If we want to develop Android mobile application, you can use any laptop with any brand as long as it support the Android Studio development environment SDK, so you can develop your own mobile for Android application. If you want to develop the iOS application, you need to have the Apple device, and we know that it's quite more expensive compared to the other device that we have in the market. That's why the cost is more expensive compared to the others. Okay, this one is the process. Okay, process of sale or publish your mobile application. So first you need to upload and then waiting for the reviewer, and then in the video term is accepted, then it proceed with another part. If being rejected, so you need to upload again. Means you need to make a correction and then upload again, waiting again. If the pass with the from the reviewer, then pending for the developer release and then ready for sale. So this the process when you develop and then you want to release your mobile application. Okay, this is the example when you want to publish your mobile application in iOS. Okay, this is the process of submission work. So the developer get an Apple ID, okay, a distribution certificate, and then go for the validate, submit, waiting for the review part, and you can release. For Android, choose between the free or paid part. You want to make it free or you need to pay something. So developer directly release with the app for the user, and Google remove non-compliant application from its store. So it's depend on the Google. So that's all for the native application for the SDK platform. So in the next video, we continue on the factors in deciding the best mobile platform, and we also will talk about the hybrid a little bit. Okay, just now we do discussion on the native based on the Android and iOS. So later we will discuss about the hybrid, and then continue on the factors that deciding the best mobile platform before we want to develop the mobile application. So that's all. Thank you and assalamualaikum.